Okay, is y minus x greater than 1 over x minus y? So it does help to do a little bit of thinking about this one before you start tackling the statements. So if y is greater than x, then, so like, and whether this works, whether they're positive or negative numbers. If y is greater than x, y minus x is going to equal a positive number, and that in turn will be greater than 1 over x, and how should I do this? Okay, now I'm going to erase that. I want to explain this as clearly as possible. So if y is greater than x, y minus x will be positive, and x minus y will be negative because we have a smaller number minus a bigger number. Therefore, y minus x will be greater than 1 over this number, because 1 over x minus y is still going to be negative and y minus x will be positive. So then the answer will be yes. If we do x is greater than y, y minus x, we'd be subtracting a bigger number from a smaller number. This one would be negative. X minus y would be the positive number, and then we would have a negative number on the left-hand side of this and a positive number on the right-hand side, so it would not be true that y minus x was greater than 1 over x minus y. So really the question is asking, what are the relationships of y and x? Right. Statement 1, the absolute value of x minus y is greater than 1. And we know we're in trouble because we need to know the relative value. We need to know the relative weight, or I don't know. We need to know which one is greater than the other. Absolute value makes it impossible to tell which one is greater. So that's the whole point of absolute value. It gets rid of sign, and we don't have a proportion or anything where we could say x is 3 times y or something like that. So we don't have enough information from statement 1. We eliminate A and D. Statement 2 tells us flat out that y is greater than x. And we already established that if y is greater than x, this is positive, this is negative, and the original statement is an affirmative. So this one's sufficient to tell us yes. Statement 2 on its own is enough.